ворота! Відкривайте! My heart for Ukraine is to help the orphans, to help the children, because that's what God's heart is. As soon as the war broke out in my beautiful country, it broke my heart. I knew I had to do something about it. So I've been working with Samaриан퍼с, established emergency field hospital. The support and the partnership that I have with Samaриан퍼с gives me ability to continue what we have started. We have this place for the refugees. Over 1,000 people's been to this place. Now we're standing here and waiting for another bus full of orphans that have been pulled out of southeast of Ukraine that need a place to stay.
Just like wondering, who are you people? This morning, like, all the staff was in tears, like, because, you know, you have kids and you just literally don't know where to go. And then, you know, we got a miracle.
We're a Christian organization that love God and we want to love people. So we've been doing this from the first day of war. Samaриан퍼с is a partner that's helping us to do this. We take care of them spiritually, we take care of them physically, we give them food, we give them housing. This is who we are.
I mean, looking what God did, it's like, it's just amazing. Look at this kids, you know, they're playing out there. And this morning I got a message from my friend. He said, like, you know, whole world is praying for you. And that's what God did.
It's a God story. So thank you so much for sharing. Some of these kids been through the second war in 2014, so they had to flee. And now it's happening again. This is like a new normal in a way, which is horrible. So that trauma hasn't been healed. And the only way to heal something like that is our Heavenly Father. There is no human that could help with this. I'm speechless. I don't know what to say because this is so much pain. Talking about it, I get emotional, my heart rate goes up. But I believe in the mighty God. I believe in the sovereign God. And I will glorify Him. I know this is a hard thing for this country and for me, but I know we will overcome. And I know my God will be glorified.